I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the video and any transcript you already have. This saves time later. Open a subtitle editor. Egisub or Subtitle Edit are fine, or use an online tool. Make sure you set the project to the right frame rate and timing format so captions align. Once done, import the transcript if available. If not, prepare to transcribe short chunks. This step prevents timing drift and ensures exports match common players, so you can add subtitles without using closed captions. Now you build and sync the subtitle cues. Split text into readable chunks, then use the waveform or video preview to set each cue's start and end times. Aim for natural pauses and comfortable reading speed. Use keyboard shortcuts to nudge times by milliseconds for precise alignment, and check multi-line balance so text doesn't overflow. Once aligned, apply simple styles if the format allows, font size and positioning. Then save incremental versions so you can revert if needed. Finish by exporting the file in the required format, SRT for most players, VTT for web. If you need subtitles without closed captions, upload the sidecar file or embed hard-coded subtitles using a lightweight encoder. Hard-coding bakes text into pixels so no CC track is used. Test on the target player and check character encoding. Use UTF-8 if accents break. If timing or display is wrong, reopen the editor, confirm frame rate, and retime only the cues that drift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.